we'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. We're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we dipped into negative MACD territory and slightly off of oversold condition. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. We did see a diverge and we're approaching to negative MACD territory. We're still resting right along the 50 moving average, this yellow line at the price of $26.58. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $23.70, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 150 moving average, this red line. My sell target is at $25.43, and my stop loss is at $22.96. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.62, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the highs made back in January 5th. My sell target is at $24.47, and my stop loss is at $26.42. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 60% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, a 20% chance to climb between 4 to 8%. To the downside, it has a 20% chance to fall between -4 to -8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.